Samsung is preparing to reveal its three-model Galaxy S25 lineup at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event in late January. Fans' excitement has been heightened by leaks as the event approaches, especially over the appearance and design of the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. Images of the SIM trays for these models that have recently leaked provide information on possible color choices for Samsung's flagship devices of the future. A sleek dark gray that verges on black, startling deep blue, and gentle pastel tones of purple and green are among the 5 color options suggested by the leaked SIM trays, each of which has end caps that match the exterior of the device. Additionally, there is a silver model in the lineup that most likely serves as the White Series version. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's SIM tray information are noticeably absent from these leaks. Samsung is anticipated to give these colors distinctive and imaginative names closer to the debut date to increase their allure. For its Ultra models, Samsung has historically chosen more subtle, sophisticated hues, frequently highlighting high-end components like titanium in their construction. Although the Ultra may be able to use some of the S25 and S25 Plus colors, they probably won't have the same vibrancy, which would further emphasize the Ultra's high-end and polished look in the lineup. Despite being sometimes disregarded, color choice is crucial to a smartphone's overall appeal. Novel and eye-catching color schemes can help a device stand out in a crowded market and draw in customers who value both utility and appearance. Certain colors can even make or break a purchase for some people, particularly when combined with well-considered design. The focus will be split between Samsung's generative AI innovations and their aesthetic appeal as the Galaxy S25 series competes with competing flagships from Apple and Google. The fashion-conscious market will concentrate on the lineup's color choices and appearance, while tech fans will examine the S25's AI capabilities. The significance of striking a balance between technological breakthroughs and aesthetic considerations is shown by the fact that a bold or trendy color can have an equal impact on catching public interest as groundbreaking features. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.